everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is a perfect nail set. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here, and I'll kind of tell you what each thing does. So it comes with a nail scraper. So it's great for pushing your cuticles back, cleaning up everything. It comes with two different files, you can see. And then it comes with these right here. This is a gel nail remover, so you're going to use it to remove gel polish. It just kind of makes it wrinkly, and then you'll use this to kind of scrape it off and then buff your nails, and you can reapply. After you take off your gel, you're going to put this around your cuticles, and then like before you paint your nails, and it's going to keep the fingernail polish from sticking onto your skin, because once you're done painting, you're going to be able to pull that right off. And then it has nail oil for when you're done painting your nails to make your cuticles nice and hydrated. But let me go ahead and show you it in use. That makes it to where when you're done painting, you can go around all of this, and so it doesn't, you don't have to worry about.
Wait, even right here?
Anywhere you don't want it.
Anywhere you think I'm probably gonna get nail polish on?
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.